Hello and welcome to yet another video on SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. Before anything touches a server, we need two things: the Workshop Hub installation package and the checklist that tells us exactly what to do with it. That's this lesson. No hosting yet, just getting our hands on the package and reading the plan. The package is a single zip Workshop Hub v1.zip. Download it, drop it in a working folder. To unzip it, on Windows right-click, extract all, that's built in. Or grab 7-zip, a tiny free tool, install it with next, then right-click, 7-zip, extract here. On a Mac, just double-click. Inside the full Laravel project, the app folder, public, storage, the .env template, and one special file. Production setup, the quick installation guide. Almost everything is pre-configured. This file tells us the little that isn't. Open production setup in any text editor. Notepad is fine. The early steps are already done for you inside the package, so we pick up the list from here. Step 1. Sign up for web hosting. That's coming in 2 lessons. Step 2. Add our website, the domain, to the hosting account. Step 3. Edit the .env file before uploading anything. Real domain, real database credentials. Step 4. Upload the files through the hosting file manager. Step 5. Create symbolic links so images load fast. Step 6. Create the database. And then the install wizard takes over. 2 things deserve a highlight before we move on. .env is the only file we edit by hand. It holds the environment, app URL, database name, user, password, mail settings, and storage needs write permissions, so Workshop Hub can save class images and student documents. Keep both on your mental checklist. They cause 90% of failed installs. Package downloaded, unzipped, checklist read. We'll follow it step by step, one lesson at a time. Up next, the build package itself, versioning it, and reading the release notes like a pro. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.